Hi, we are in Jen's house, and I'm introducing you to Jen. Say hi, Jen.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Liza Jane Alcatar. You can call me Jen Jane.
How old are you, Jen?
I'm 12 years old.
You're 12 years old. How many are you in the family, Jen?
9.
9? And you are the youngest? No? You are the what? Third?
Third.
Third child of? One of our family. What grade are you in right now?
Fourth. Fourth.
Fourth grade? Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Cooking, Biko.
Swimming pool.
Nga, pag nagpinoon mo niya, nandito.
Hindi mo na mapo.